BYD's Yangwang U8. Imagine a car that's like a dream come true. That's what BYD, a Chinese auto giant, is aiming for with their Yangwang U8 SUV. It's similar to the Land Rover Defender but with some unique features. Picture this. 4 independent electric motors producing a whopping 1100 horsepower. And get this, it can do some amazing things like turning 360 degrees on the spot, driving diagonally, and even crossing water. While the release date hasn't been announced yet, the price tag is set at around $143,000, which isn't too shabby for a car that goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3 seconds. Ramsmobile. Ever heard of the Belarusian Hummer? Some websites are calling it the Ramsmobile. This beast of a car is all about making a statement with its design and technical prowess. It took a year and a half just to develop the hydraulic door folding mechanism. But the real showstopper is the retractable track. Oh, and did we mention each seat comes with an electronic hooker? Talk about luxury! With a ground clearance of 348 mm and options for gasoline, diesel or electric versions, with the electric one packing a punch at 1200 horsepower. This car doesn't come cheap at an estimated $1.5 million. But can you really put a price on the sheer emotion it offers? Ram Revolution. Ram Trucks, an American team, is cooking up something revolutionary with their concept truck. It's not out yet, but they're promising to start producing it in 2024. This truck comes with a bunch of cool features like an extendable truck bed capable of holding loads up to 5.5 meters, a heads-up display instead of a traditional dashboard, and a shadow mode that follows a person walking ahead. Plus, it's got level 3 autonomous driving, so you can kick back and watch a movie while it takes care of the driving. And to top it off, they're going green with materials like recycled plastic bottles and apple peels for the interior. Volkswagen Tristar. Volkswagen is thinking versatility with their concept pickup truck, the Tristar. Whether you're hauling cargo, going on a trip with friends, or just collecting firewood in the woods, this truck has you covered. One of its standout features is the dual cargo platform with a retractable section under the truck bed. And forget huge screens, this truck comes with a built-in coffee machine. With a 204 horsepower diesel engine, a 7-speed gearbox, and a top speed of 185 km per hour, the Tristar is a blend of yesterday and tomorrow, built to commemorate Volkswagen's innovation legacy. BMW Z1. This car is pretty impressive with its 170 horsepower engine and 5-speed manual gearbox. Only 8,000 units were ever made, adding to its exclusivity. But what really grabs attention is its unique door setup. Imagine this: the windows slide down into the doors, and then the doors slide right into the floor. It's like a mechanical Russian doll, all controlled remotely. Rezvani Beast Alpha sidewinder doors. Coming in as the runner-up is the Rezvani Beast Alpha, a supercar from California. Packing a punch with its 500 horsepower engine, it can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Its design is straight out of a sci-fi movie, reminding us of spaceships. And those doors, they're called sidewinders, and they're unlike anything else out there. They match the car's sleek design perfectly. HiPhi X. Now, let's talk about the winner, the HiPhi X, a Chinese electric SUV. At first glance, it might seem unassuming compared to the competition. But wait until you open those doors. There are no handles, and you don't even need to touch them. The rear door splits into 2 sections, with one swinging back 89 degrees and the other going up 80 degrees. It's a game-changer in door design, making entry and exit a breeze. Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo. Here's a fun fact. About 13% of all camping sites in the EU are in Germany. That's why Mercedes-Benz came up with the Marco Polo camper minivan. Named after the famous Venetian traveler, This van is all about embracing adventure. It's like a second home on wheels, complete with padded armchairs, a built-in kitchenette, a convertible roof, and 4 beds. You can choose between rear or all-wheel drive, and there are 3 diesel engines to pick from. Plus, with the Garmin Map Pilot navigation system keeping you on track, you can explore with confidence. Dump bed kit. Ever wondered how you could turn your regular pickup truck into a dump truck? Well, it's easier than you think. You can get upgrade kits for around $1,500. The entry-level model, the 310, can handle loads up to 3 tons, while the flagship model, the 630, can handle a whopping 12 tons. The best part? You can control these kits remotely. There are tons of uses for them too. Kitworks. If you're looking for versatility in your vehicle, look no further than Kitworks. These Australian specialists offer upgrades that can turn your ordinary production car into anything you need, whether it's a camper, a mobile workshop, a mobile shop, or something else entirely. With both ready-made modules and custom configurations available, the possibilities are endless. For example, the HiPhi 16 canopy allows you to set up a tent on the roof and offers a retractable storage system. Made of aluminum and stainless steel, these systems even come with LED taillights. While the price might seem a bit high, around $9,600, there's no shortage of buyers, especially in Australia where people love pickup trucks, especially utes with a 2-door coupe cabin and an integral cargo bed behind the cabin. Dillon Tactical Vehicle. Imagine a vehicle that looks like it just rolled off a movie set. That's exactly what you get with the Dillon Tactical Vehicle. One moment, it's calmly cruising down the road, and the next, it's firing bullets from an M130 Ford minigun, perfect for escorting VIPs. This vehicle can activate its minigun in just 3 seconds, rotating 360 degrees, and adjusting up to 45 degrees up and 10 degrees down. Jumping lowriders. From American World War I veterans to hip-hop enthusiasts worldwide, lowriders have captured the imagination of many. These recognizable and flashy cars are known for their ability to jump and dance, thanks to their refined suspension. Sporting small wheels, powerful audio systems, chrome details, and plush seats, it's easy to spot a lowrider. Whether it's a vintage American car or a brand new Cadillac Escalade, lowriders come in all shapes and sizes.